Hello everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another scam busting episode. Guys, today we are bringing the fight to Lucky Woody Puzzle. Guys, Lucky Woody Puzzle is without a doubt one of the biggest scams going around on the marketplace right now. You have no idea how much drama this app has caused, guys, okay? Look at this, dude, okay? You need a minimum, it's not telling me yet, but I think it's around $150 to $200 USD to cash out in this app, okay? That's just, if I remember correctly, last time I played, it should be around $200 to $150 USD. Now, guys, this app has not been paying out its players, okay? So many players on the Play Store. If you actually look at Lucky Woody Puzzle's reviews, people are so angry, and they have a right to be angry, okay? Look at this. It starts you off with winning $15, alright? $15. Get this through your head. If I go, like, look, I can cash out, right? But I still don't have the, oh, there it is, 150. Boom. Told you. 150 USD to cash out. So, remember, we just got $15 to complete that score then, alright? Or to, I guess, for completing that little puzzle. I don't even know if you'd call this a proper puzzle game, bro. I mean, all you're doing is matching the blocks together. That's it. I mean, that is it. Is it a puzzle game? I don't know, guys. I mean, I don't regularly play puzzle games. But this app, biggest scam going around for the simple fact that it promises you real life money, real life rewards, PayPal, you know, PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards. Look, exchange for an Amazon gift card, you need to have 150 USD. Do you know what the problem is, everyone? I'll tell you the one big problem. Not only does it not pay you, but the problem is literally that I can't even say this, but it's so silly to me that people actually believe that this could be true, because what it actually does, it gets to the point where it's about to pay you out, and then it stops giving you money, essentially. That's legitimately, that's the app. If you manage to grind it out for ages, like people do, like people actually do grind this app out non-stop, bro, okay? They have managed to get to that point where you can technically cash out, but you never get the money. That's the big scam, guys. You'll never get the money, dude, okay? It's not like it spams you constantly with ads as well. Like, this app's actually pretty good with the ad, distribution, okay? I'm not angry with Lucky Woody Puzzle for the advertisements. I'm angry for the fact that it does not pay out its fans or its players. It's a complete joke, guys. If you're watching this for the first time, my channel is dedicated now to exposing scams on the internet, okay? I love targeting mobile apps because there are so many scams. And what you guys have to understand is that I have no reason to cause drama on these things, dude. No reason at all. I'm taking it out of my day. Literally, I'm sitting down after doing my real life job to target these apps, because I know for a fact so many people are getting scammed by these apps. I'm sick of it. I'm absolutely sick of it, dude. These apps are jokes, okay? At the moment, we're earning $10 on average USD, which is pretty good. If you were earning $10, guys, every time you completed one of these puzzles, you'd be very rich. But you watch this, everyone, okay? You watch this. It will slow down, I promise you. Oops, I accidentally misplaced that then. My bad. That's okay. You watch the rewards slow down, though, 100%. This is not a joke. This is what actually happens in this app. Now we're down to $6, okay? So we're down to $6. We started off with $15, and now we're down to $6, okay? So keep this in mind. By the way, if you haven't done it yet, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the scam resistance today. What is this doing? There we go, nice. Yeah, guys, pretty much my channel is the Scam Patrol. I love calling it the Scam Patrol. Join the Scam Patrollers today, everyone. $5 USD now, so we dropped from 6 to 5. The more we play, the more that reward's going to drop, which is kind of counterproductive when you think, like, why would the rewards go down the deeper I get into this app? It doesn't really make sense, does it, everyone? You've got to think about that carefully. Now, I haven't had an ad appear at all. That's the craziest thing right now. But I can watch an ad, obviously, to revive if I have to. But yeah, I have to say, even for a scam app that doesn't pay out its players, Lucky Woody Puzzle is pretty solid with the ad distribution, which I'm very happy with. So if I am to compliment a scam app for anything, it's the fact that it's not shoving advertisements in your face 24/7. Which is quite nice. It still does offer you the rewards, though, obviously, if you do watch an ad. But I don't care about the rewards at all. Yet you're gonna end up failing no matter what, everyone. These apps are designed to make you fail eventually. So $6, okay, so we're up to $65. We're almost up to that $150 USD. So if we keep grinding here, at the speed we're going at, we should get to 150 USD very soon. We'll see if we can hit it or not, okay? But yeah, people are so mad, dude. If you want to have a good laugh, everyone, go check out the reviews for this app and go check out the 1-star reviews. It is hilarious how mad people are getting you, and rightly so. If you're going to get scammed, I do not blame you. Look, now we're down to $4.80 or 60 there, whatever that was. So we're starting to drop now, big time with the rewards. Let's see what the next reward's going to be. I'm very curious. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, there we go. We're going to put this block nowhere. Put that block there, good. $3.92 now, there we go. So we started off from $15, right, with a nice big reward. And now we somehow have ended up at $3.92, everyone. So there you have it. We're starting. People are legit. It's starting to look like the reviews are right about this app. Okay, I've already covered this app once before. Okay, just forced me to watch an ad. Then I don't like that. I don't like when apps force you to watch an ad. By the way, but that's okay. Whatever. Let's close that down. Yeah, it's very interesting how the reviews are adding up, aren't they, guys? Looks like this is. I'm gonna have to agree with the players' reviews because I've already reviewed this app once. I think it's about like what 3 weeks ago I reviewed this app and I called it a scam. And now I'm still sticking to my guns. I still believe Lucky Woody Puzzle is a scam. Okay. Now I'm getting ads all the time. Fake money making games. Yeah, like this one you mean. This is a pretty fake money making game, dude. Lucky Spade. Alright, I gotta give that a try. Definitely. Anyway. So, I'm hoping now it doesn't start spitting out ads on me. Could you imagine if they legit start spitting out ads all the time? Just because we're getting deeper into the app. This is a part I don't know about. I'm gonna keep trying this app now. Let's see how many ads we get. We were getting no ads before, bro. No ads at all. If we start getting ads now, I'll be very shocked. No thanks, no thanks. It keeps offering me rewards non-stop. Weird. Legit, it just keeps offering me rewards all the time. Is it because I'm playing so fast? No, surely not. $5 USD. I don't care about that. So yeah, we're still not earning massive money now, by the way. Look, another reward. No thanks. No, he's still gonna start spitting out ads, is it? It can't. It can't be that pathetic. Surely not. Guys, we had no ads before, now we're getting ads. This is freaky to me. The deeper we're getting in, the closer we're getting into that cash out value. No, this isn't part of the scam. I don't remember this from the first video I did, dude. Legit, if this was like this, oh my lord. That is terrible. This app has to be removed if this is going to keep spamming ads the deeper you get and the closer you get to that cash out value. Yeah, look, another ad. Guys, legit. I think this is part of the scam. I'm not even joking right now, dude. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, might have found a problem here, everyone. Big time. It seems this is another part of the scam. Just spitting out non-stop ads. I was complimenting the app before. And here we are. We're getting screwed by ads. Isn't it amazing? Incredible how all these scam apps do the same thing. I can't believe it. I'm actual shocked. You can see in my face. I am shocked. I'm very surprised, bro. I do not remember this from the first time I recorded. Bloody hay fever, dude. If you guys have hay fever, you know my trouble, okay? $2.73 USD. We are now getting per rewards. Unbelievable. Here we go. Let me guess. An ad? If this is an ad, I'm shutting the app off. Nope. Everyone, delete Lucky Woody Puzzle now. It is absolute garbage. It is one big fix. I cannot believe the ads. They literally spam you with ads. The closer you get to what is it called? The end of the cash out, near the cash out value. Get rid of it. It has to be deleted. Google, do something about Lucky Woody Puzzle. Please burn it to the ground. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm getting off this trash app. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my channel for more scam exposure videos. See you later.